Hi everyone, I hope you are doing good. My name is Alam and in this video I am going to show you how to see others mobile screen on your mobile, or you can say how to share mobile screen with others without installing any third party app. As you can see, I have shared this mobile screen to this mobile. Whatever I will do in this mobile owner can easily see what I am doing in this mobile. If I open WhatsApp in this mobile, you can see same WhatsApp is open in this mobile also. If I open Facebook in this mobile, you can see same Facebook is open in this mobile also. So if you want to know how to do it, make sure you watch this whole video, and if you are new on my channel, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. So guys, let's learn something new today. The very first thing you have to do is you have to open Gmail app in your phone. Then at the bottom of this page, you will see this video icon. Click on this video icon, then click on new meeting. Then you have to click on get a meeting link to share. Then simply click on share invite and share this link on WhatsApp to the person whose mobile screen you want to see on your mobile, or you want to share your mobile screen with him. Once you have shared this link, then simply you have to click on this link, then select your Gmail ID and this kind of interface will open. On this page you have to mute video and audio and you will see this join button. Now you have to ask that person to open his WhatsApp, then click on this link which you have shared, then select his email ID and almost same interface you will see in both mobile. But in his interface he will see ask to join button here, and in your interface you will see only join button here. Ask him to click on ask to join button, then you have to click on join button and simply click on admit, and in both mobile you will see same interface. If you want to share your mobile screen with him, then simply you have to click on these three dots, then click on share screen. But if you want to see his mobile screen on your mobile, then ask him to click on these three dots and then click on share screen. So let me share this mobile screen to this mobile. So I will click on share screen, then click on continue, then click on start now. That's it. Now you can see this mobile screen on this mobile. So let me make it in full screen. Now you can see this mobile screen in this mobile. Now whatever I will do in this mobile, you can see in this mobile also. In this mobile, if I open WhatsApp, you can see same WhatsApp is open in this mobile also. If I open Facebook in this mobile, you can see same Facebook in this mobile. While sharing screen, you can also chat with each other. For that, you have to open it, then click on these three dots, then click on in call message, and this chat box will open. From here you can chat with each other. So let me open in this mobile also in call message, and this chat box will open. From here you can chat with each other. If you want to disconnect this screen sharing, then simply you have to click on this red button and screen sharing will be stopped. So this is how you can share your mobile screen with anyone without installing any third party app. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Have a nice day.